Yes, Council.
Yes.
We've heard rumors that Kyotera court staff were harassed by district and government officials over receiving Muhoozi Kainerugaba case. Isn't this unconstitutional, Council?
Clearly unconstitutional. The Constitution protects public servants to do their work. Moreover, judicial officers and judicial staff, they must do their work independently. So for another DC or a car or a DC also and so to think that Muhoozi cannot be sued at Kyotera or even a public officer, that is nonsense. They must appreciate that these courts are for courts of judicature of Uganda. That's why the 1994 Constitution abolished local administration courts, local administration police, and the local administration what, so that the judiciary can be independent. So they must appreciate that actually it is, I mean, it is barbaric, it is backwardness, knowing that someone cannot be sued. Yes.
Okay, then so what advice do you give to these public officers, both those who harassed them and those who were harassed?
To those who harassed them, it is stupidity, they should stop it. Let the systems work. Let people do their work, especially court systems. Courts were here even during colonialism. Even when the whites were ruling us, courts were here. Now, for the security staff, they must know that the Constitution protects them. No one can dismiss them for doing their work as per the Constitution. And secondly, they must know that they are serving the public. Some of them seem even to fear cameras. They don't want to be captured on the videos. And I was asking them, what if I'm your boss? How do I pay you without seeing you? Because I'm the one who pays you. I'm the taxpayer. How do you say that you don't want to be seen on the camera? I don't know the month, then you demand me salary. Yet I don't know whom you are working for. So they should just sign up and know that this public service, they must have their account.
So Council, remind people of the fundraising numbers.
Normally 701-88-1231 and 0787-263-086.